This is how to export Microsoft OneNote as a PDF. I'm in OneNote on the desktop, and I've already opened the notebook. I'm clicking the Q3 planning page in the page list, so it's the active page, because OneNote always exports whatever is active right now. Before I click File, I check the page size because wide notes are the thing that gets cut off. I'll click View, then Paper Size, and set it to Letter. With that page size set, click File in the top left corner. The File menu opens full screen with a list down the left side. Click Export in that left menu, and the export options appear on the right. Now look at the Export Current area. OneNote gives you 3 choices here: Page, Section, or Notebook. I'm choosing Page because I only need this Q3 planning page. If you choose Notebook, OneNote will push every section into one huge PDF, so save that for a full archive, not a quick share. Under Select Format, click PDF, then click Export. The Save As dialog opens. I'll go to Desktop so the file is easy to find. OneNote pre-fills the name Q3 Planning, but I'm adding 2026 so it doesn't get lost in a folder of old pages. Keep Save As typeset to PDF. If that box says OneNote Single File Package or All Files, change it back to PDF before you save. Now click Save. OneNote writes the file and drops you back on the page. I'll open File Explorer and click Desktop on the left. There's the Q3 Planning 2026 PDF. I'll open it to confirm the export looks right. The page opens in the PDF reader and the text and tables came across cleanly. Now that the file is out, there are a couple of follow-up things worth knowing. If you need a whole section as a single PDF, switch back to OneNote, open File, Export, and choose Section instead of Page. Section export is the right middle ground when you have 5 or 10 related pages and you don't want one giant notebook PDF. The page order follows the page list top to bottom. The most common problem after export is a blank extra page. That's almost always an empty text box sitting below your last note. Go back to the page, click that empty box, press Delete, and export again. It's faster than fighting with the PDF afterward. And if you type your notes, the PDF text stays searchable. Screenshots and handwriting do not. So if someone is going to search this PDF later, typed notes are the safer bet. If this cleared up the export for you, hit like and subscribe and leave a comment saying it was helpful. Comments are what push this to other people searching for the same thing.